guys, this is Mr. Geek here once again, and welcome to a brand new episode on this channel. So for today's video, I have something imported all the way from China. So this is a Suede steering wheel cover. The link to this product is down in the description box below. So if you want to get this product, make sure to check out the description box. So this is the entire steering wheel cover. As you can see, this quality is Suede and it looks really premium. So let's install it. With the packaging we also get threading, so there are various options of threads you can choose with the black color. There is black and blue, there is black and black, black and white, black and red. So I've chosen the black and red option. You also get a needle with the thread. So let's get started. So guys, as you can see, I've already started the threading procedure. I've threaded this much, and the entire procedure is you take the needle through the alternate loops. So you need to insert it through in alternate stitching, and then just take the thread out and then repeat the procedure. Just make sure that the cover is aligned. So this is the final results. I've stitched the entire steering wheel with the red thread provided in the box, and as you can see, it gives a very premium finish to the steering. The material is nice to hold, and it gives a good amount of grip too, and it also gives a kind of a sporty feeling while driving the car. So yeah, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. And thank you for watching this video. This is Mr. Geek signing off.